Hey there, and welcome back to Taste Bud Odyssey. Today we're making air-fried chicken fajitas. It's packed with protein, healthy, and budget-friendly. And stick around to the end of the video, because I'll be revealing how much all this tasty goodness costs. We'll also make fluffy cilantro rice. Surprisingly, rice can be tricky to cook, but no worries. I'll guide you on how to nail the perfect rice every single time. And as a bonus, I'm gonna show you my yummy black bean sauce that will go perfect with this dish. So don't go nowhere. Stick around with me and I got you. Ready? Let's go shopping. Grab 1 pack of chicken breasts, yellow, orange, and red bell peppers, 2 lime, 1 pack of fajita seasoning, 1 onion, 1 can of black beans, and rice of your choice. Story time. Let's pick up where we left off last video. If you haven't seen that video, I will throw it up at the end of this video. Check it out, cause this video gets intense real quick. Picture this. I'm cruising out of class, doing my thing, when out of the blue, the dude that I blamed for the fart bombs grabs me. This guy looked like Mark Henry minus the puberty. He goes, "You think you're funny?" I'm like, "Bro, get your hand off my shoulder. This ain't WWE." Then he gets in my face. And I'm thinking, this guy's breath could make someone go blind. I could feel his stank breath penetrating my soul. I shove him away. He tries to throw hands. But thank the heavens, my teacher swoops in like a hero to save my life. But hold up. The guy then declares an after school showdown. I'm like, is this a school or a fight club? Fast forward to later that day. My mind is racing with thoughts on how to deal with Mini Hawk. I'm reminded of Sun Tzu's wise words from The Art of War. He writes, "The supreme art of war is to defeat the enemy without fighting." With those words of wisdom, I decided to hit the back exit. Luckily, no ID checkers today. I blend in with the sophomores for a clean getaway. But hold up, my phone's at the deli. I should have grabbed it and sprinted home. But nope, I opt for a full lunch. Sausage, egg, and cheese, plus the legendary 50-cent soda, aka the Nutty. Why Nutty? Stick around. I'll spill the tea at the end of the video. And bam, out of nowhere, there he is, bad breath, rounding the corner. It's the slow-mo showdown. I can't run. But here's a twist. I channel my inner diplomat. "Man, my bad. I got this for you," I say, offer my lunch like a peace treaty. He takes the bait, snatches the snack, unwraps it, confusion all over his face. While he chows down, I hit him with the hard, hidden questions. "Why so angry, bro?" He spills about a girl in class saying I accused him of stinking up the class. I'm like, "Nah, man. That doesn't even sound like me." Then against all logic, I become Mr. Helpful, dishing out advice about brushing and breath mints. And just when I thought I skillfully dodged the confrontation, boom, a punchline square in my face. Subscribe for more wild stories, healthy budget recipes that will save your wallet and maybe your face. Wash your rice. It will make it less clumpy and sticky by removing all that unnecessary starch. Try this trick with a spoon. Make sure that the water doesn't go past this level and you should be good. I learned how to cook rice like this from this Haitian guy. And if you know anything about Haitians, you know they know how to cook rice. Most definitely, this rice is gonna taste amazing. Here's a word of encouragement. Whatever your dream is, never give up on it. Keep pursuing it, and one day you will amaze yourself of what you can achieve. We just made air fried chicken fajitas. Let's find out how it tastes. Falling apart already. Chicken's tender, guys. Guys, you guys have to make this tonight. Okay guys, time for the big reveal. How much did this all cost? $19.64. That's all it costs. That's all you need to make this dish. To make the rice, to make the fajita chicken, and to make the bean sauce. Most of the spices I use, you can find in your cupboard. And you don't even need most of those spices. You could just use the fajita seasoning and just some salt and pepper and you're good to go. But if you want a little more flavor, then you add other stuff that I put in there. This could be even more or less costly for you. Give me your honest review down below in the comments. Like this video so that I can know that you guys want me to make more videos like this, or if you guys don't, you guys are in charge. You guys tell me what you want and I deliver. Be like that guy down below and hit that subscribe button. Become a member of the family. We welcome you. We want you here. You guys might be wondering about why we call the 50-cent sodas nutties. Now, back when I was younger in New York, we drank those 50-cent sodas all the time. And one day my teacher's gonna tell me, you know those could actually one day destroy your, your nuts. We came up with this joke like, oh, yo, I want a nutty, I want a nutty, I want a nutty. And that's why they're called nutties. If you guys are interested in any more cuisines, check out my mushroom black bean burger right here. And also to find out about the story and how it leads to this story. If you guys are interested in more recipes like the one we made today, check out this chicken quesadilla over here. In that video, you'll find a sriracha mayo that I think you will love. And it'll go good with this dish that we made today as well. It's been a pleasure serving your taste buds today. Peace.